guys, welcome back. So today I have this half cut crease, I don't know exactly, but I only used 3 eyeshadows. Well, without counting the brow bone highlight, I used 3 eyeshadows to achieve this makeup look, and I really love how this came out. I will show you that on this eye is a little bit patchy. I don't know why. The love letter from the modern renaissance, it went a little bit patchy. And I don't understand why, because on this eye it's patchy, but on my left eye, right eye, it's not patchy. So I don't know what happened. I'm going to zoom you in right now, but yeah, let me zoom you in first. I don't know if you can see it, but right here is a little bit patchy, so you can barely see it because of the lashes and this wing liner. But I wanted to show you guys that nothing is perfect. I mean, this eye is kind of perfect. And that's that. And yeah guys, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I do really like how the eye makeup came out. I don't know how I feel about this lipstick with this eye makeup, but I said I have to try something else than nude lipsticks because it's kind of boring. So here I am with this berry purplish mauve, I don't even know what color is this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Once upon a time we had it all. If you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, no, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.